Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with QuickBooks Online for CRM Revenue Sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Log into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Apps menu on the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Apps option to open the Apps Marketplace. In the search bar, type CRM Revenue Sync to find the integration. Select the CRM Revenue Sync application from the search results. Review the app details to ensure it meets your requirements. Click on the Get App Now button to initiate the subscription process. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation. You may be prompted to grant necessary permissions to link QuickBooks with the CRM. Carefully review the permissions requested by the CRM Revenue Sync app. If you agree, click the Authorize or Allow button to proceed. After authorization, you will be redirected to the CRM Revenue Sync dashboard. Here, input the required information to set up your initial sync preferences. Select the specific data you want to sync between QuickBooks and your CRM. Review your selections carefully before confirming. Once satisfied, click on the Save or Sync Now button to finalize the setup. Wait for the installation to complete. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message that your subscription is active. Now you can configure additional settings as needed within the CRM Revenue Sync app. Explore the features available to maximize your CRM's integration with QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.